Hello, today we'll be drawing Malcolm the Mushroom from Squishmallows. We're going to start with the eyes. Two big circles, so we're going to start with one eye. And then repeat that on the other side. And then we're going to add the little highlights for the eyes. 1, 2. And then we can color in the eyes black. Just avoid the little highlight circle. Color the other side. Once you're done coloring the eyes, we're going to add the little cute mouth. And now we can move over to the body. We're going to start from here and draw a curve on the top for the top of his head. Like that. And we're going to draw two sides of his body. So we're going to draw the left side first. A big curve. And same thing on the other side. Big curve. Once you're done with that, we're going to draw the bottom line to connect the two. Like that. Once you're done with that, we're going to draw the cap on the top. We're going to draw a line right here. And then a parentheses on the other side, right there. And let's connect the cap right like that. All the way across. And once you're done with that, we're going to add the cap on the top. In one big curve. And now for the polka dot pattern, we're going to add circles all around. Make sure they have a little bit of space in between. And they could be even, or if you want to change the design, go ahead. You can make your Malcom a little more unique. Once you're done with your cap pattern, we're going to just draw the stomach area and we'll be finished. For the stomach, just add a curve on this side. And repeat the same on the other side. Finally, we're just going to connect the two. Like that, and you have your perfect drawing of Malcom the Mushroom. Now let's just add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.